Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Update your motherboard BIOS and run a quick memtest to capture baseline stability and stock timings. Once done, reboot into BIOS and disable XMP or dock so changes are manual. Make sure DRAM voltage matches the module's rated value. Now change only primary timings first, CAS, TRCD, TRP, to the next lower step. Save a temporary profile and exit to run a short stability check so you know whether the system boots cleanly. You now focus on the detailed work. Lower CAS, then TRCD, then TRP by one step each and reboot to test. When instability appears, increase DRAM voltage in small increments, only 0. 0, 1 to 0. 0, 5 volts, because the why is simple. Tighter timings often need a bit more voltage for signal integrity. After each adjustment, run memtest 86 or a stress tool for 30 to 60 minutes to confirm stability. If stable, repeat the cycle. If not, revert the last change. You finish by saving the stable configuration as a BIOS profile, and then run a long overnight stress test to validate real-world stability. Once validated, document the final timings, frequency, and DRAM voltage. Make sure to monitor temperatures under load so nothing else limits stability. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is simple. Revert to the last known good profile, or relax the most recently changed timing by one step. Then retest. This isolates which tweak caused instability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.